Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with public.com for investing in IPOs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with public.com for investing in IPOs, begin by visiting the public.com website or downloading the app on your mobile device. Click on the sign up button on the home page. Enter your email address and create a strong password. After that, click on the continue button to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter your phone number for account verification. Check your inbox for a verification code sent to your email. Input the verification code in the required field. Next, you will need to provide your full name and date of birth. Ensure that you enter accurate information, as this is crucial for compliance purposes. Now, select your country of residence from the list provided. Complete any additional information requested, such as your physical address. Once all personal details are filled out, agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Next, you will be required to verify your identity. Prepare to upload a form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to upload your ID securely. After submitting your ID, you might be asked a series of questions regarding your financial status. Answer these questions honestly, as they will help tailor your investment experience. Once your identity is verified, you can link a bank account for funding. Provide the necessary banking information following the on-screen instructions. To complete your registration, review your account details and ensure everything is correct. Now that your account is set up, navigate to the IPO section on the platform. Explore the available IPOs and the details surrounding each investment opportunity. When ready, select the IPO you are interested in and follow the prompts to place your order. Monitor your investments regularly to stay informed about your portfolio and new opportunities. Congratulations, you are now ready to invest in IPOs using public.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.